If you're having problems with your Casio F91W and the display's gone like this, or it doesn't seem to be working properly, you can try an AC reset. So to do that, you're going to have to take it apart. So take the back cover off with 4 little screws here, crosshead screws, and we're going to lift the movement out off the watch itself. So I'm very gently, I've got some tweezers, and you're going to need some tweezers to do the AC reset anyway. I'm just going to gently just go under here and just lift that off there. You can wear gloves if you wish. I'm just going to put that gasket back in place. There we go. Now, if you look really closely here, you can just see it will say AC, and there's a little arrow going up to this bit here. So let me try to get that on the camera. There we go. So if you have a look now, you can clearly see it says AC and an arrow going up to here. So we need to get some tweezers, and we just need to go between this point here is the easiest point, this point, and the AC reset, and you will see it will reset the watch. So I'm on that bit there, and I'm going to just go in to this bit here, boom, there we go. You can now see it's reset to there. So when you do this, it's resetting it back to the earlier setting here on the watch. So if I do that again, you will see that this seconds will go to 0 again. There you go. So that's an AC reset. Then you just need to put your watch back in like you would do normally. When you're putting it back in, make sure you don't get any of the buttons trapped. And then you just need to put the cover back on and set your time like you would normally do. So that's it, that's how to do the AC reset. Thanks for watching.